everybody, Mommy Huber here, trying to talk kind of quiet because I just got out of the shower, in case you can't tell, haven't even combed out my hair, which brings me to 3 questions. Yes, I'm getting distracted, but I'm known for that. I want to know, leave comments down below, and maybe little explanations. First, I want to know, shower or bath? Which do you prefer? Second, do you take your shower or bath in the morning or at night? Which do you prefer? And the third question, when you wash your hair and it's wet, comb it out or brush it out? That is the question. Let me know. But anywho, while I was in the shower, I heard this shocking, miraculous noise. And I somewhat, with my ears, think I witnessed a miracle. That's right, a miracle of God. God is up in here tonight. You know why? My kids are getting along. Goober Huber and Princess Huber, they're playing nicely. And get this, in Goober's room. Yes, in Goober's room. He let his little sister in his room. And to top that off, get this, if that wasn't enough, he's letting her play with his toys. His Godzilla's at that, if I heard correctly. So, I am going to attempt to sneak you guys up there and record them for a forever memory. And if I get it, let me know what y'all think. There's another question. Siblings, yes or no? Do you get along with them if you have them? Yes or no? Because Colin Huber is 11, and Felicity, Princess Huber, city princess, city girl, many names for her, is almost 5. They fight like cats and dogs, screaming, yelling, you name it. So yes, this is a true miracle. Let's go see if we can catch it, okay? And as you can see, of course, Smelly Belly on the TV. Colin tried to take a tour of our new house, our new beautiful, wonderful, love it home. But I don't know how well it turned out because I have discovered that he's extremely wobbly and fuzzy and just crazy with taking recordings. But you're gonna get a little glance now, as messy as it might be. That's the dining room. We'll get you a better tour some other time, but anyways. Okay. Here we go. Can you hear them?
Did you better play with one? No. I said you needed to. We are flocking.
I just had to break out the video camera because I witnessed a miracle. Hey, you guys were getting along. You were playing together. You allowed your sister in your room. And best thing of all, you let her play with your toys. And your Godzilla's at that.
It's a slap car.
But I had a thought. We never got the mail today, right?
No.
I'm feeling a smidgen better since I took my shower. So I thought before I start feeling crappy again, do we want to go on a little late night adventure?
Yeah. I want to bring a toy.
One little toy. It's not going to be very long. We'll go get the mail and kind of walk around and come back. Do you guys want to do that?
Yeah.
And then we forgot, Colin, you got Bible verses to memorize before tomorrow. If you want to get prizes, and you got to help your sister so she can at least get one prize. Hey, 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 hey. See, I come around and what happens? Whining and fighting.
Sorry, I didn't.
Only when they think I'm not looking. I have to learn to get more sneaky. So are you coming or what?
Hey, Flesha.
Okay, come on.
Hi, Papa.
So,
I see you. Hi, Papa.
late night venture. I figured, why not? So,
Wow.
you're gonna go see the outside and watch us get the mail.
After Mommy feels better and you go, we will go at the beach.
Exciting. You get to go swimming where you're at.
Yeah, look.
Give me that kind of look.
Hey, guys. It's just gonna be we two Ubers now. See? Mama, it's gonna be we two Ubers.
No, my baby is leaving.
Hey, Smelly Belly had to do it. Smelly Belly had to do it. Mommy, we will not leave you.
Well, I'll have one Uber with me.
Hey, remember Smelly Belly? Jayla went away to Dad's for like 9 days.
It was longer than that.
Yeah. Mama, you can get me.
Okay, shh.
So it's just gonna be like that. And I'm gonna hang with my best other YouTuber. Yeah. Ethan.
Okay, come on.
This goes on this feet.
Yep.
I'm gonna hang with my other YouTuber friend. Wait, it has sand in it.
Oh, well, you'll be fine. Let's go. Look at this girl.
Guys, tomorrow I'm gonna hang out like all week with my other YouTuber friend named Ethan. Check out his channel. You should. Pretty cool.
Okay.
Short
People are sleeping.
You have night vision on?
Yes. Okay, so I'm trying to get situated here. Here. What?
You also have to run. Mama, what's the one behind you?
Okay, so here we go.
Which one, Mama?
Which one you want? Here we go. This is our neighborhood.
You're taking long.
Okay, let's go over. Oh no. Oh no.
It's coming towards you.
Okay, you guys can't see really well, but I'm trying.
Biting you. It's biting
We're
you.
walking down to the mailboxes.
It's biting you.
Shh. Ah, oh no. And I just figured out, I think when it's hot, wet hair makes you sweat even more. That is what I am deciding. I know you can't see very much, but here we are.
Yeah.
I don't even know what, it's like almost 11 p.m. here. We're gonna check our mail, see if it's anything exciting. Just no bills, please.
Is the house key.
Good job.
I bet.
What is it? Please don't be a bill.
Our daily book.
Oh, good. My devotions. Gotta keep those devotions up. Even though there's no book in it. Why is there no book in it? Well, it's as fun, exciting as that was. Let's go walk around. Here. Because she wants to hold... Apparently she's big baby Uper, not Princess Uper. Because Princess is a big girl.
I know.
There's the dumpster.
Yeah, there's some cars in the night and some not in the night.
Seriously? You guys can't see it very well, but this boy done took a shower. Nice and clean. And what is he doing? He's playing on the dirty, nasty dumpster. But that is one of the nice things.
There's a car.
Yeah?
Cars are in the night and some not.
That is one of the nice things about living here in this neighborhood. I don't have to worry about putting the garbage out on the street and forgetting or missing it or having too much or any of that things, because when we lived in the other place, we had to worry about that. Everything had to be bad. Certain things, a list mile long, weren't allowed. And then I had to make sure to get it out in the garbage or out on the street by a certain time and then bring it back in, even in 10 feet of snow. And so here, I don't have to worry about none of that. I just go dump it in the dumpster. Woohoo! We are. Where does the sidewalk take us? We'll just set it on the chair. Yeah. We're gonna continue our little adventure, and if you guys want better videos with better lighting and whatnot,
I am here to escort you.
then you need to subscribe and share and all that good stuff so we can get enough money, because I'm trying to survive on this money to get the fancy stuff. Wouldn't that be awesome? And then we could help you guys out in return.
Do you own this droid? Do you have a permit for this droid?
And you can't see, the sidewalk comes to an end. Oh,
Do you have a permit for the
no.
droid?
Yeah.
Come along.
I'm Mommy. I have a permit for everything.
Mommy,
Hey, let's sneak a peek in this window. I wonder. Oh, look. A picture of a plant. And you got a frozen pillow and a couch. Oh my. The people that live here, lucky them.
Look, Freddy's, I want that.
Oh, wait. That's our house.
That window.
No. I only did it because I knew it was our window, hon.
I'm so stupid.
And there, you can't see it, but it's our back porch.
Yeah, I see my bike.
And the chair to sit on, and our back door, and our window, and basement.
Get it away, like point it over there. That's the playground.
Oh no, what happened? What happened? Oh my gosh, I knew that was coming and it still scared me. Oh, you rascal. My heart stopped on that. Okay, shh. And again, you guys can't see it. I don't know what kind of adventure this is going to be because you can't see anything. But you can listen to me talk, because if you ever watched me on YouNow, apparently I love to babble and babble and babble and babble and never quit. Never quit.
Mommy,
What?
look.
Why? And that is a little building where you can have like birthday parties and stuff if you choose. And there's a basketball court on the other side and some drinking fountains and such. And you can't see Colin trying to be a creature. Okay, we are so totally going to have to do this when we have a flashlight or something. Because
Mommy, where's your dice?
it is too dark.
I'll put them on the chair.
So, we're going to go ahead and get back around so you guys can actually see something.
What we going to find?
Nothing in this dark.
No, it's a squirrel. What are we going to find? It's a squirrel.
I don't.
Somewhere.
What is it, guys? There's some creature over there. Oh no, he's gonna get us. Ah! If you're trying to be a dinosaur, you came off more like a zombie. Okay, so And then you can't see it, but there's some more playground stuff.
Sandbox.
Shh, not tonight. We're just gonna walk around and get back to the house. Because, see, it's dark. They can't see anything. Look. They can't see nothing.
No, them can see the sandbox.
It'll be too dark. They won't be able to see it.
Oh, maybe this is our mailbox.
Yep. So now we're back at the mailboxes. Pretty. People are sleeping. So pretty much we just walked around in a circle. Some other time, probably. It wasn't much of an adventure because I figured, see, they can't see nothing until we have like better lighting.
Come on, move.
So, do I have to claim him?
Mommy, wait, I need to show you something. There's someone's house I don't even know.
Okay, shh. Where'd he go? No, come on. Yeah, but come on.
That was something.
It's a frog.
We found a frog.
It's totally a frog. Look.
It's a frog.
Oh, it's gonna run away.
It's hopping around. There's a frog in it. There's a real big frog. Mom,
You got him.
we found
I wanna
something.
see.
Found something.
Look, guys.
I want to see him in your hand. Don't put him on me.
I'm not. Come here. No, I want him.
Mommy.
Do I see you want to pet him?
No. Maybe bite me.
No,
Frogs
he's
don't
a
bite.
frog.
We found something. The froggy. There's a guy. Mommy, we used to find a frog. Remember?
This is a toad.
Well, whatever.
Mommy, we used to find froggies. Mommy.
We'll have to wash our hands now when we get in.
I even didn't touch him.
No, but you should have. It's neat. Okay, let him go. Be nice. Where are you? You're not being mean to him, are you?
Put him back on the ground. I won't keep him. Hi, Frog. Hey, Froggy.
He's being so calm. He's not even trying to jump out of your hand.
Yeah, I want to go back inside.
What? What'd you do?
Whoa, he's a big one.
Let him go. Let him go, Colin.
I want to go back home. Big one. I want to go back home. Mommy, I want to go back home.
He's probably used to it. And there he goes, off to find his home.
Hi, Doggy.
Off to find his
No,
home.
look at one door.
No, he's not gonna get ran over. Leave him alone.
Hi, Froggy. Hi, Big Frog. I will miss you. I meant Toady.
Okay. Well, that was interesting.
I'm still by him.
I knew we had chipmunks around here.
Yeah, but there is a chipmunk.
They're probably sleeping. Bless you.
You don't see no bugs on me.
No, there's no bugs on you. Uh-oh, the battery's gonna die.
I don't need to die.
Say your bye-byes.
Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry, the battery's dying. say your bye-byes. The battery's dying. Are you gonna say bye or not?
You. Bye.
Ew, spit that out.
Bye.
Mwah.
What is it?
Okay.
Wait. Wait.
Mwah.
She says bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. God bless. Bye.